Balik na tayo. Ayun, may chicken pa doon. Tara, puntahan natin. Dito. Good morning, chickens. Dali. Uminom ng tubig yung chicken tayo.
This is so big. He is going home his baby's egg.
Kala ko ba may itlog, pero ba't parang wala may itlog?
What?
Sabi daw may itlog, pero mukhang wala man.
Huh? I can see it.
Picture kayo dyan. Ate.
What? There's also a little baby's egg. And they're so happy already.
Macho.
Adi, that. Adi, is that? Up there is a baby egg. Oh, these are baby eggs. Baby eggs.
Let's go na, guys.
I know. Let's go now. Okay, Mama. It's nothing. Adi, you baby. Oh, Mama.
Tayo dito ang kalamansi. Markot kalamansi. Ito sitaw. Ito, magulang na. Ito patola. Kamatis. May pechay pa. Diyan patola.